Make a great choice today with the 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tonneau cover, towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, power driver mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.